Firstly, fix the USB and power cables in the clamps located inside the ID scanner stand unit. Make sure you appropriately adjust the cable length as shown here. Make small loop with the power cable and insert this loop into the cavity of the stand unit. Then hook the cable inside the cable hole as shown here. Follow the same steps with the USB cable. Connect the cables to the ID scanner as shown here. Note the direction of placement. The scanner unit's power switch should be accessible through the hole on the stand unit. After connecting the USB and power cables, place the scanner into the stand unit. Arrange the cables to allow for full insertion of the scanner into the stand unit. Remove the scanner from the stand and disconnect the cables. Remove the top cover by sliding it upwards. Unhook the top CIS to release it from the unit. Use non-scratchy damp cloth to clean the glass surface on both CIS heads. Place the CIS head back into the unit and make sure it is fixed by the hook. Place the top cover and slide it back into its position.